Hey, yo, this is King Earner coming to you guys live and direct. What in the dishonorable fake Serena Williams is going on here? Come on, LeBron. How you going to carry it like this after we already been through so much with Dwayne Wade making him think everything is okay with his son carrying it like this? Like, we got to get some understanding here. And the understanding we got to get is that men can't dress like this. I mean, you look like a fake black Rowdy Piper. Listen, if you don't know who Rowdy Piper is, he's a Scottish wrestler. And guess what? He wore a dress because of his culture. Men are not supposed to wear dresses. Then you try to go bow-legged on us. Come on, you got your hands dripping down like a whole blizzard. And I know that you don't think it's of honor because you never put it on your Instagram. That's how I know. Now, instead of you being of honor, you're in the White House. Maybe, I'm sorry, not the White House, because you was on the Biden side of things, wasn't you? Yeah, I think you was a Biden supporter too. But you're now in a Barbie house looking like a whole bizarby. I'm going to need your honor, but before I go, I have to do one thing. You have a pocketbook, I say. I don't honor pocketbooks, but I'm going to reach in your pocketbook and grab your dishonorable knife out, and I'm going to stizzab you until the knife is tired. You hear me? You mishut, you're going on the moon. You got a nerve to have a fake boob job going on there, too. What's next with you, LeBron? We got to get some type of honor restored here because at the end of the day, our favorite basketball players that are of our honor, of our blood type of degree, of our type of skin color, you can't carry it like this, man. You're looking like a whole blizzard here. And I'm done with you. King Earner live and direct. Hey, yo, this is King Earner coming to you guys live and direct. First and foremost, let me get his Gizai, his honor back. Let me give you some understanding. I don't know who the hell AI is. Last time I checked, AI was Allen Iverson. This guy was dressed in a dress, and I thought it was him. I don't understand what's going on. I don't know if it's a gin. I don't know what's going on. Somebody's running around here creating these type of images, need to be sued. But hold on, LeBron. Let me say something to you, you mizut. Why are you allowing this type of picture to still be on the internet? Yeah, you. At the end of the day, you got too much money and you give too much money out to not be carrying it honor. Spend whatever you can to get this picture off of here. Because at the end of the day, it's guys like me that kind of honor the whole thing you do on the basketball court and off the basketball court that'll look at you crazy. So AI needs to be sued. At the end of the day, AI needs to be sued. I'm snatching his honor. But I guess what I'm going to do here, for all your teammates and whoever's a part of the NBA allowing these images to come out, I'm grabbing my knife and I'm stizabbing them till my arm is tired. And when I see butt crack sports, I'm stizabbing them also until the knife is tired because this type of thing shouldn't be out. Here it is now, you're looking like a gorilla, but on that picture, that AI picture, you look like a Trizamp dressed in pink that was going to see Bambi in them. I have to figure out what's going on here because at this point, I'm beyond dizzy. And when you're wearing this number 6, Julius Erving, he wore the number 6 for the Philadelphia 76ers. So you got to have some type of honor wearing this. Your honor has to make you get up and go find out who done it. Or I'm going to stizzab you again till my arm is